Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this quick and short tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to share a post from Instagram to your story. So the first step would be to find a post that you want to share to your story, and in this example I'm just going to select this post right here, and what you do now is click that little airplane icon, and once you tap on that you're presented with this, and what you have to tap on now is add post to your story. Now if you for some reason don't have this add post to your story button, I will be doing a video tomorrow showing you exactly how to get this button, but for the purpose of this video I'm just going to assume that you have this button. So you click on add post to your story, and now you have the option to share it to your story, and you can actually change the background color of the story by tapping on that little squiggly line at the top. You can select your color. I'm just going to select purple, and then you hold down anywhere on the background, and now the background has changed, and then you can select the tick mark, and now you can go share this post to your story. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and technology every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace guys.